Method 2. Enjoying fresh food from the garden. Step 1. Pick a variety of plants to grow. When planning out your garden, you should pick out a variety of plants that will increase your health and vary your diet. Increasing the biodiversity in your yard is also a good way to be sustainable and help the environment. Some vegetables that are relatively easy to grow, depending on your climate, include tomatoes, lettuce, peas, beans, squash, and cucumbers. Begin with a few of these if you are new to gardening. Growing some herbs, such as chives and thyme, can be very easy as well. These herbs can really enhance the flavor of the vegetables that you grow. When planning out your garden, you also need to take your soil, the sun exposure of your garden, and your climate into consideration. If your yard doesn't get a lot of sunlight, you can still grow shade-loving plants like herbs, greens, and mushrooms.
Step 2. Plan for different growing seasons. In addition to growing a variety of plants, you need to plan out when certain plants should be planted and grown. There are specific times when fruits and vegetables need to be put in the ground so that they grow most effectively. This means that you will have several cycles of planting every year, usually in the early spring and the early fall. For instance, many plants need to be planted after the last frost in the spring, such as tomatoes, squash, and corn. However, some plants can withstand those late winter and early spring frosts, such as spinach, lettuce, radishes, and beets. If you plan out your growing season correctly, you can have fresh fruits and vegetables throughout the year. When to plant certain plants depends greatly on what climate you live in. Do some research about your specific climate zone, what grows best there, and when certain plants should be put in the ground.
Step 3. Cook home-grown food in a healthy way. Once you have ground your fruits and vegetables, it's important to cook them in the right way. Cooking them correctly will both retain the nutrients inside of them and will help you avoid adding unhealthy ingredients into the meal. In general, cooking vegetables lightly and avoiding adding a lot of fat to them will help you to get the most out of your vegetables. Avoid adding a lot of fat to your vegetables when cooking them. Instead of frying or salting them with added oil, try steaming them to bring out their wonderful flavor without incorporating a lot of unhealthy fat. Some vegetables provide more nutrients when raw, and some provide more nutrients when cooked. For instance, cooking asparagus lightly releases more nutrients into your body. However, beets give you more nutrition when served raw. Do some research to figure out how your vegetables are best served.